Welcome to the Learn American English channel, where you learn naturally so you can speak naturally.
In this video, we are going to talk about one of the figures of speech, which is the metaphor. So what is a metaphor? Say it with me. Metaphor. A metaphor is a figure of speech that explains an idea or thought by making a direct comparison between two things. It's like saying one thing is something else. For example, when we say, Jude has the heart of a lion, we mean that Jude is brave. When we say, Amanda has a heart of gold, it means that Amanda is kind. When we say, the young boy was a real bear this morning, it means that the young boy was grumpy. Now let's go back to our lesson on simile. What is the difference between a simile and a metaphor? A simile uses the words like or as when comparing two unrelated things. For example, her smile was as bright as the sun is a simile because it uses as to compare her smile to the brightness of the sun. A metaphor doesn't merely suggest that one thing is like another or acts as another. Rather, it asserts that the two things are one. In a metaphor, a direct comparison is drawn between two unrelated things without using like or as. For instance, the metaphor, time is a thief, directly compares time to a thief without using like or as. Here are more examples. Simile. Eleanor is like an angel because she helps her friends with their homework. Metaphor. Eleanor is an angel because she helps her friends with their homework. The two sentences are comparing Eleanor to an angel, which means that Eleanor is kind. A simile states that Eleanor is like an angel, while a metaphor states that Eleanor is an angel. Simile. Life is like a box of chocolates. Metaphor. Life is a box of chocolates. Both of these sentences mean that life is full of surprises, and you never know what you'll get next. Simile. Your brain is like a calculator. Metaphor. Your brain is a calculator. Both of these sentences mean your brain processes and calculates information like a calculator. Writers use metaphors in their writing to help the readers create a clear and vivid image in mind. This helps the readers understand the message better. Now let's look at more examples of a metaphor. My town is a furnace in the summer. This means that the town is very hot and feels like an oven. The eyes are the windows to the soul. This means that the person's eyes can reveal their true feelings and thoughts. Tom's hands were ice. This means that Tom's hands were very cold. My new pair of heels were a thorn. This means that the new heels were painful to wear, like a thorn in the shoe. The world is a stage. This means that life is like a big play or show. Prayers are the pathway to success. This means that praying can lead to success. You are my sunshine. This means that you bring happiness into my life. Angela is a star. This means that Angela is very talented and popular. Luke's room is a junkyard. This means that Luke's room is messy and disorganized, like a junkyard. Jaden is a night owl. This means that Jaden stays up late and is active during the night. Lily is the black sheep of the team. This means that Lily is different from the rest of the team. My brother is a couch potato. This means that my brother is lazy and spends a lot of time on the couch. The snow was a white blanket. This means that the snow covered everything like a blanket. His words were a knife cutting through my heart. This means that his words were hurtful and painful. Our class president is a walking encyclopedia. This means that our class president knows a lot about many things. Time is money. This means that time, like money, should be used wisely and not wasted. Madison is a pain in the neck. This means that Madison is very annoying or troublesome. My dad is a teddy bear. This means that my dad is kind, gentle, and comforting like a teddy bear. Andrew is a tiger on the football field. This means that Andrew plays really hard. My mom is a rock whenever I have a problem. This means that my mom is steady and always there for me. Now, let's play a game, shall we? Let's see how well you understand metaphors. Fill in the blanks with the correct answer. This means that the town is very hot and feels like an oven. My town is A. Window. B. Furnace. C. Hand. The answer is B. Furnace. My town is a furnace. This means that Tom's hands were very cold. Tom's hands were A. Bricks. B. Rock. C. Ice. The answer is C. Ice. Tom's hands were ice. This means that life is like a big play or show. The world is A. Stage. B. Thorn. C. Sunshine. The answer is A. Stage. The world is a stage. This means that Luke's room is messy and disorganized. Luke's room is A. Dime. B. Ice. C. Junkyard. The answer is C. Junkyard. Luke's room is a junkyard. This means that Jaden stays up late and is active during the night. Jaden is A. Bird. B. Night owl. C. Snake. The answer is B. Night owl. Jaden is a night owl. You did an excellent job. Now you know all about metaphors. We have other videos that talk about the other figures of speech. We hope you'll check them out too. Learning about the different figures of speech and using them correctly will really help your fluency. Let's watch the video again so we can learn the metaphors better. Thank you for watching the Learn American English channel, where you learn naturally so you can speak naturally. Please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this one.